Hi, I'm back. My extremely large fan base just begged me to return, so here I am. I'm lying, I actually missed you guys so much. Like, I missed you so much. I missed you so much. Today I have the day off, so I thought I might, be productive, get some work done, make some notes, watch some lectures. Why are farm animals used as insults? I don't really understand. You pig, you uncultured swine, and swine is literally just another word for pig. You cow, you chicken, you horse, nay. I mean, that's the whole thing I don't understand, because pig is used for when someone eats a lot, but uncultured swine has nothing to do with eating. I have broccoli. Yep. Sure is some broccoli. You're in a cupboard now, have fun. I'm kidding, I would never abandon you like that. You're my precious viewers. I'll shut up now. So I was thinking about it, and if you call someone a pig because of how much they eat, then that could technically apply to any animal that eats a lot. So I decided on a dragon. Once I was on a phone call with my dad and he was talking about how he ate a lot. So I was like, Dad, why do you eat so much? Are you a dragon? And he was like, what? You're a dragon because you eat a lot. And then my brother was also like, what? So the conclusion is, it doesn't actually work for any animal that just eats a lot. It's just pig in particular. Because if you think about it, dragons eat a lot more than pigs, if they existed. Food. Food, yeah? Food. Food, yeah? Food. But like, what about cows? Moo. Yeah, cows. They don't do anything. They're just chilling there, like, eating grass. But why are they still looked down upon? If I say, you cow, I can't believe you've done this. Like, you know what I mean? Anyway, thanks for what? Not only am I sad, I am also upset. Extremely. My voice is gone. It's gone. Yeah, I eat dry cereal. What are you gonna do about it?